How to pay for Lowe's credit card bills. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about paying for the Lowe's credit card bills. So the simplest and the most convenient ways to make a payment for your Lowe's store card are either through the online portal or by contacting the customer service over the phone at the number 800-444-1408. And if you prefer, you also have the option to make your payment in person at any Lowe's store or send it by the mail. To pay your Lowe's store card conveniently online, you have two choices. You can either log in to your personal account if you already have one, or you can choose the option to pay as a guest if you do not wish to sign in. Additionally, to make your life even easier, you can set up an auto pay feature. This allows you to schedule your payments to be deducted automatically from the account each month, ensuring that you never miss a payment. If paying by phone seems more suitable for you, you can easily do so by calling their official number, and once you reach the automated system, simply follow the prompts provided to complete your payment securely. In store, for those who prefer as in-person transaction, you can visit any Lowe's store location to make your payment directly. Just head to the customer service desk where a representative will assist you in processing your Lowe's store card payment efficiently. Finally, there is an option to pay your bill by sending a check through the mail. Just keep in mind that cash is not an acceptable form of payment through this method. If you choose to pay by mail, address your envelope to Lowe's Post Office Box 530914, Atlanta G8 303530914, and it is really important to be aware that the mailing your credit card payment can take longer than other methods. To ensure that your payment is received on time and do not result in any late fee, make sure that you send your check at least 7 days before the payment due date. Also, don't forget to include both of your name and your credit card number on the check to ensure that you properly process the payment. So this was all about it. This is how you can pay for Lowe's credit card bills. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.